Hello everybody, my name is Alex with Segala Designs. Thanks for tuning back for a brand new video. If you guys are new around here, please go down and make sure to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we will be introducing a new product for the C8 Corvette that will now be available for pre-order on our website. The link will be down in the description. Now, when you see the car behind me, you may be thinking to yourself, what can we add or what can we change to enhance the look of this C8 Corvette? Well, here we have the new Z06 style rocker panels designed to fit your lower quarter panel on your C8 Corvette. These parts will be available in carbon flash, carbon fiber, and forged carbon, but if you wish to do a custom design like the ones you see on my hand with the blue pinstripe to match the color of the car, that can all be done. Just send us an email and we'll have someone get back to you. We know a ton of you have been asking for Z06 style parts to be able to fit your C8 Corvette for the past few months now, and well, you guys know we started with the two-post wing and now we're at the Z06 style rocker panels. Now, although we haven't told anybody, well, I guess after this video, everyone will know, but all along our team has been working on these parts for you guys, and in the future, I don't know if I'm supposed to be telling you this, but look forward to us at Segala offering Z06 style fenders, quarter panels, and a Z06 style rear diffuser. Yes, you heard that right. We will be coming out with these products very soon, and you guys know, as soon as we have the product in our hands, you guys will be the first to know. Now, these parts will be a quick and easy install for any customer or shop, and as you can see, we have the 5EM style side skirts on the car now, which we're going to show you how to remove before moving on to the next step. Now, if you don't currently have any side skirts or rockers on your car, you can go ahead and skip ahead. We will have a timestamp on the screen now, but if you do have side skirts on your car, most likely they are held in by rivets which will need to be drilled out. So let's go ahead, put the car on its side, put it on some jack stands, and we will go ahead and show you the process of being able to drill out those rivets. Now, the removal process of these side skirts, so on the bottom it is riveted, which we will need to drill out, and over here on the winglet we only put double-sided tape because we didn't want to go with the bolt method because we knew these weren't going to be the side skirts that will always stay on the car. We know my mom is going to want to keep changing the look up, keep changing a few things, so we didn't want to drill into the actual lower quarter and then us have that hole there when we do a rocker, as you saw earlier in the video. So let's go ahead, remove this. Let's get the double-sided tape separated and then drill out the rivets, and we will show you once we're actually ready to take off the side skirt. So here you guys can see where the double-sided tape is around the bolt and where the bolt would go if you did decide to make this a permanent side skirt, which involves drilling into your lower quarter panel as we mentioned. But now let's go ahead and bring over the new rocker that will be going on the car along with a Z06 rocker to show you guys the difference in how similar they look, but how they're modified to be able to actually fit on your C8. Now here we have the Z06 rocker in carbon fiber. If you guys haven't checked out the full install video of the aero package for the Z06, make sure to go over and check that out. We will have the link in the description, but here you can see how the design is very similar for the Z06 style rocker that will be able to fit your C8, and honestly I can't wait to be able to see this on the car and just see how similar they look. But on the Z06 here, you can see on the lower quarter it is actually completely flat and it is held in by bolts rather than rivets. Unlike the C8 rocker, it actually cups over that body line that the C8 lower quarter has, and it is held on the bottom by rivets, as the bottom doesn't have anything to be able to actually bolt into. So that is the few things that differ from the Z06 lower quarter and the C8 Corvette lower quarter. Now for the install, the rivets required to be able to install the rocker panel will be provided, but one thing we do recommend to add is a strip of double-sided tape along the top. So on the top of the lower quarter, it will be held on by double-sided tape, and then on the bottom it will be riveted. So that's just one thing to keep in mind that we do recommend doing. Now that we're ready and have the piece all prepped, we are ready to go ahead, put it on the car, get those rivets installed, and one side will be completely done. So very quick and easy install. We were able to get the rivets drilled in underneath along with the double-sided tape on top. And well, here you guys can see how it looks. There you guys can see where it goes from being parallel with the car and then it kind of flares out, similar to like the one on the actual Z06. It's something that is possible for one person to do. As you guys can see, it's just lifting the car up on some jack stands, being able to drill out the holes and then install the rivets with a rivet gun. So super simple. Let's go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. Now that we're ready to get started on the passenger side, let us know what you guys think as far as which style do you like better. Do you like the new Z06 style rocker or the 5EM style side skirts? Let us know. But now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this side knocked out, and then we will officially be done with the install.
Few minutes later.
Here we have it, guys, the Z06 style rockers for the C8 Corvette. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments. If you guys know Wendy enough, you guys know she can never just settle for how her car looks. So these will not be the ones that will be staying on the car, but I don't know if she would want me to tell you. I'm gonna tell you guys anyways. She is going with forged carbon, guys. Yes, her Rapid Blue HTC C8 Corvette will be completely decked out with a bunch of forged carbon parts. So whenever those get finished, we will be doing a full install on those as well. So make sure you guys have your post notifications turned on. Now, if this is something you are interested, or you know someone with the C8 that may be interested in these rockers, we will have the link directly to our website in the description. And you know, thinking of it now, if you may not like the way the 5EM side skirt looks, this will be a perfect alternative to go with. It's sleek, it's aggressive enough to where you notice it's there, but it's not overpowering like the 5EM side skirt. So it's really all just personal preference and what you want to go with. We thank you guys so much for your continued support, and well, this is going to be the end of the video. So as always, it's Alex with Sigala Designs, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.